I wrote the song in the aftermath of breaking up with the girl I moved to California with. She said I regret it, and I did for a little bit. You told me you loved me, don't say it again. I told you I miss you, let us pretend again. Does anything add up when everything ends? You've got some new t-shirts and I've got some idle hands. Where did our times go oblivion? Where did our friends go? Haven't seen much of them. What do I do when you and I end? And I won't restart with anyone else. And I won't sleep now. You're lurking around my head, love. Can't bear. We took a break from everything else. Our lives on pause until I cut your strings and you're free. No microscope over our heads, standing still while the view outside